You must use videos to run an online business. But video hosting companies like Videlytics, Wistia, Vimeo are expensive. There are free options, but they are highly limited. You have to pay hefty monthly or annual recurring fees in order to use the hosting service. You can try and save money by hosting your videos on YouTube, but YouTube players have tons of distractions that takes your viewers away from your video to YouTube. The solution is VidHost Pal. When you first log into your account, go and choose your storage. You can use YouTube, your Amazon S3 account, or your own Dropbox account. I chose YouTube and click Save. With VidHost Pal, we can host our videos on YouTube, but there are no distractions. And you can have opt-in forms on top of your video and collect email opt-ins straight from your video. If you want, you can have a call to action and a button on your video to take viewers wherever you want them to go. Let me show you how. After choosing your storage, go to your dashboard, click Add Campaigns. Give your new campaign a title. Click Next Step. Copy the YouTube video URL that you want to use. You can add a password on your videos if you want to. Click Next Step. Now you can use the YouTube's default thumbnail or add your own thumbnail right here. You can even choose the logo, or you can use these options to get a thumbnail for you. Click Next Step. You can choose the type of animation here. Choose the type of play button style, call to action, click to watch the video. Choose text color and size. And here you can decide whether you want to show these YouTube controls on the player or not. I don't want to show, so I will hide them. Now for this demo, I don't want to choose any button or opt-in, but you can from this drop down. And you can decide when this button or opt-in will show. Choose the text color, the link, and you can integrate all these autoresponders to collect your opt-in. Once you are done, click Next Step. You can fill this in for SEO purposes or skip and click Next Step. In most cases, we don't need a template, so click Save. Now go to your dashboard, click this copy, and copy this code. Go to your favorite website builder, add an HTML, and embed this code in the HTML placeholder. Click Save, and voila! Now your video is actually hosted on YouTube, but showing on your website without distraction and without paying hefty fees to Videlytics, Wistia, or Vimeo. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. Go get it.